Welcome. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a question bank of short answer by LaTeX and how it can be uploaded to the Moodle course. So let us directly shift to the LaTeX file. In the overlay, I have created one LaTeX file with the document class as article. And second line is very important. You have to use a package called the name Moodle. So this is the general structure of the LaTeX file, that begin document, end document, and to create a quiz we have to start with the begin quiz and end quiz. Suppose here the quiz name or category name we have to write. So for that I will write demo. So category name as a demo. Now what will be the syntax to create a short answer? The syntax to create a short answer is you have to start with an environment called begin short answer, end short answer. Now the second, the square bracket is optional, where you can mention that grades, whether you want a case sensitive for the grading that question, or other options you can use. And the third bracket having a curly braces, where you can mention the question name. Now here you have to pass or you have to give the question text followed by the correct answer. So for correct answer generally you can give only one, but suppose you want to mention a period or case sensitive or to include, in that case you can consider more than one. So this atom followed by the correct answer in square bracket, again this is optional. Here you can do feedback, the corrective feedback to the students, or partial grading, that part we can include here. Let us continue with one example. Let us consider an example. So here I have started with the syntax begin short answer, end short answer. So here I am giving that question name as suppose S1, and the question text is let the root of fx equal to 0 lies in the interval AB. Then the first iteration to exact root is given by x1 is equal to a plus b divided by this method is known as. This is from a numerical method and the answer to this is bisection method. So this command is used. To generate a dash in PDF file, and in a Moodle course there will be a box where you have to put the correct word. So for a short answer question which reassemble numerical questions, which we have seen in the last video also, where the student is to fill in a text box with a word. Now here I am giving two answers. One is a bisection method because this is the end of the statement. So here I am not using a period, that means full stop. And the second part I am using a bisection method with full stop. Again purposely I am writing in one case small m, in one case capital M. So you generally the common settings where the case sensitivity is not applicable, but you want that case sensitivity. In that case go to the begin short answer question, and in the square bracket you can mention the optional part. So for a case sensitivity you can use case. And suppose this question is considered for the 2 marks, and in that case we can do points is equal to 2. But the general practice for the short answer is to don't use a case sensitivity. Suppose student forgot to use a cap locks or capital letters, so that question should be graded properly. That's why. So again I will remove these parts, that means that optional part from this question, and I will compile the question, and in PDF you can see the question type. Now to download the question bank, go to logs and output files, and from that other logs and files, from that output moodle.xml. So within a fraction of time that downloading will be started. Now here we can observe that downloading has been started. Now next I will shift to the Moodle course. So here I have created one course with the name as a demo. Now after going to the course, first we will go to the course administration panel. So in course administration panel we are having a question bank option and import a question bank. So whatever question bank we have downloaded from a LaTeX, that we are going to import. So our file format is Moodle XML format. So here we can observe, so different file formats are available. So from that our file format is Moodle XML format. So that's why that option I will select, and I will go to the download file. So from download file directly I will drag and drop that file to that option, choose a file, and after that click on import. Now that question has been here, we can see importing one question from file. So click on continue. So that question bank has been uploaded with the name as a demo1, creating one question. So that question is uploaded with the name as a S1. So again I will go to the demo course and I will create a quiz with the name again, suppose demo. I will create one quiz with the name as a demo. I will use demo quiz. Now for the rest of the setting I will not check, directly I will save and return to the course. Now here you can observe that demo quiz has been created. So I will click on that. Now initially there will be no questions in that quiz, that's why we have to use edit quiz. After edit quiz we have to select a proper options, click on add and questions from a question bank. Now here we have to select a category. We have created a category with the name as demo. So here we can observe demo with the one question. That question will be displayed. Select that question. If more number of questions are there, in that case you can select which questions you have to add. So that question will be added to that quiz. Once again I will go to the course. Next I will go to that demo quiz and that quiz will be open. Now in this case you will have option attempt quiz now because we have added one question. Now here you can see that box is there. In that box you have to type proper word. Suppose purposely I will use the B from bisection is small, bisection method, method method. You may or may not, that full stop suppose I am using. Once again check the spell. If spelling is wrong, in that case that the question will be graded wrong. So after that click on finish attempts. So once again you will get a confirmation about to finish. So submit all and finish, submit all and finish, and now you can check the grading part. Now it is a graded. So one thing you can observe, in both the options we have selected B as a capital, but in the square bracket we have not used use case, that means a case sensitivity, whether you are using uppercase or lowercase. So grading will be done. So this is all about how to create a short answer by LaTeX and how it can be uploaded to the Moodle quiz. Thank you for watching.